Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to convert Pinterest business account from a normal account. Now if you are using a Pinterest account as a normal person but you want to convert it into your business account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to convert it. Now to do so, you need to simply open Pinterest on a device, and this is the home page of Pinterest where you'll see various options. So you need to simply click on the profile icon at the very bottom of the page. So click on it, and under here you'll see the various options like account management, profile visibility and all. So click on the option of account management. So under account management you will see the option like personal information, your email address, your password, convert to business account. Now click on the option of convert to business account. So now to convert to business account, it says grow your business or brands with tools like ads and analytics. So click on the option of convert, which is highlighted on red. Now you need to add your profile name and click on the option of next, your website if you have. So if you don't have a website, click on the option of no website yet. And now you need to describe your business, so you may get customized recommendation like blogger or this. So select the option which you think is suitable for your business and click on the option of next. So it asks you, would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? So select the option which you think is suitable for you. So if you're interested, click on the option of yes, I'm interested. So if you're not interested, click on the option of no. So as you can see, I have already converted my page into my normal page into my business account on Pinterest. So that's it. That's how you can convert business Pinterest normal account to business account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.